Thank you for joining me today. Today, we still continuing on our topic of how do we build generational wealth. Remember, on this channel, we try to share information among ourselves and to encourage ourselves in order for us to build this generational wealth. Because especially with now at the moment, it seems like a lot of opportunity is out there, and we are coming together to kind of share this information within ourselves. So we talk about uh, generational wealth. Now, wealth. Okay, that is what we are trying to do. We are trying to build generational wealth. We're trying to build it. Okay, so they just put build there. Uh, build generational wealth. Okay, so this is what our goal is. This is what we are trying to accomplish. So, what is it that how do we build this generational wealth? One thing that we have to kind of understand is sometimes when you trying to build generational wealth, there's something that seems to be common among every millionaire. That every financially stable person that you see, there's something that they all seem to have in common. They all invest. They all invest. So investment. So number one, we said, to build a generational wealth, we number one, you have to invest. Invest first. That's the first thing we have to do. We have to invest. Now, invest in what is another question that we have to answer. Now that we know we have to invest in what is the strategy of investment? Now, before we even go into that, how do you invest? We have to have open a brokerage account. So number two, we have to open, an account called brokerage account. Okay, brokerage account. Okay, account. So once we open a brokerage account, it gives us the access to all these, companies that we are interested in. Okay, we all the companies that we think we can invest in, then we have access to it. Now, before I go further on that, there's something they call ticker symbol. Okay, so the ticker symbol is what you will use to bring the name of the company or the company that you are interested in to bring them out. So ticker symbol. But the ticker symbol, if you put the full name of the company, it will come up. Once you open that account, it will come up and check and ask you, is this company? Then you can also get the ticker symbol through that. So let me just put it ticker symbol. Okay, ticker symbol. Okay. So that is how you type in to get. But you don't have, when you type the full name, it will bring the ticker symbol up for you to kind of see. So once you open your brokerage account, of course you will link your account to make deposit. You have to make deposit into the account, and that way you can now look for any company that you want to buy and put and invest in it. So it's pretty much easy. It's easier than it used to be. Now that everybody, a brokerage account is like your bank account, but the difference is in brokerage account is to buy stocks and for you to invest in. Okay, you have to buy stock and invest in it. That's what the brokerage. But it's pretty much like you having your own typical bank account. Okay, so now you invest, you open a brokerage account, and then we are trying to share this information for us to do our research on to see if it works for us. Now, what kind of investment what kind of company do we want to invest in? Okay, what kind of company? So the philosophy of having a successful investment is for us to buy low and then to sell high. So at this moment, me personally, this is my opinion. This is what I've done. This is what I see that can give me that leverage of buying low and selling high. So I identified three new industries that are coming up that I can invest in those companies, and in the long run, is going to pay off big time. That is my own opinion. But I want you to kind of, do your own research, and maybe you agree with me, maybe you don't. But let me know on by sharing your own comment or your own opinion on this video. So I identify. So let's just say areas of investment. Suggested. Area of investment. Area of investment. Okay, that is the suggested area that I think, that I believe that is going to get us to the higher level, because now they are just springing up. So the number one, I'm going to put this in the order of priority to me. Now you might rearrange yours in a different way, but this is the order of priority to me. This is the way I see it. Okay, the number one is crypto. Crypto is number one on my list, at least for now. Now, maybe tomorrow, maybe it might change, but for now, crypto is seems to be the number one. It is number one on my list. And the number two on the list of areas of investment is EV, which is electric vehicle, electric vehicles. So now, electric vehicles is Tesla. It is Rivian. It is NEO. It is all these new electric company, auto company that is coming up now. Because it's less than 15 years in making, so it's still pretty much new. The acceptance of electric vehicle is still low now. Less than 2% of vehicles on the road are still EV. Less than 2%. Okay, so which means it creates opportunity for us to be there. Okay, for us to get in early, and then we can grow up as the industry grows. So we are not talking about trading now, just talking about long-term investment. Now, the number three on my list is now this one, cannabis industry. Okay, cannabis industry. This is the third one on my list. Now, cannabis industry, people look at it as maybe it's the investment of marijuana or things like that. Not really, no. But these companies, some of them produce, household product, that something you use in your house. But the ingredient in there is cannabis. I'm talking about like oil, like shampoos, like beverages, like medicine. Those are cannabis industry. I believe in the long run. Now they are not doing really well now, but it's for us to kind of do our research on it and to see if we can invest in it, or But as the order is right now, is how I'm seeing it. The first one is crypto. The second one is electric vehicle, and the third one is the cannabis industry. These are the areas that we can invest in. We can go even beyond that because we know that AI now, AI is another industry springing off very, very fast. But AI a little bit high, but it doesn't change anything because there's something that we can do about that by having a fractional share. Okay, fractional share. You can buy fractional share. Okay, so we don't have to buy the whole share. Even if it's 500, you can buy $10, you can buy 20, we can buy 5, we can buy, we can buy just a little piece of it. So don't let me, make this video too long. I just want to bring this out to say, for us to have a financial freedom, for us to build generational wealth, there's something that is common to every millionaire, every financially successful people. They all invest, and we have to invest in stock market. You have to invest in a company. You have to invest on property. But talking about investment in the stock market, we have identified, all these three industries for us to do. Then also AI. Also, we can, look into AI, so artificial intelligence. So we have we're talking about Google, we're talking about Amazon, we're talking about even Tesla in there too. So we're talking about, Oracle and all and the rest of them. But these are the three industries that I think is still really, really low. They're still young. The connectivity to them yet is still low. If this is your first time of watching one of our classroom video or watching on our channel, I want you to subscribe. I want you to share your own opinion, and I want you to join in this journey of building generational wealth. Thank you very much. Until I see every one of us in the next video, let me read your comment and have a wonderful day.